So hi, right now in this video I am going to teach you that how you can use this module for your projects, for your home automation projects, for your college projects, and even though if you want to make your own custom circuit board by using this, you can find many references on YouTube or Google to design this your custom PCB. But right now I am going to explain you that how to use this, where to use this. So basically it's a single channel relay module which can be used to control one or two appliances which are below 10 ampere. So you can easily control any two appliances which are below 10 ampere. Like just for example, we can take a, if you want to make a project on home automation and you want to control your home LED tube lights, you want to control home two LED tube lights by using this single channel relay module. And further you can connect this relay module to ESP32, Raspberry Pi or Arduino Uno, Arduino Nano, any microcontroller you can connect this easily. It is compatible with all the other microcontrollers. So you can, yes, easily control your home automation all two tube lights for this by using this single channel relay module. Basically it's a single channel, so it has only one switch. So your both two tube lights will be turned on and turned off at the same time. If you want to make a project where home in a home all four tube lights or all the two tube lights four or how much you want you can make. So you want individual LED to get turned on and turn off. So for that you have to use a four channel relay module where you can control your four LED tube lights individually by using Arduino or ESP32 microcontroller. So now let me explain you how to use this. So basically there it has two sides. One side is for AC supply. You can see here blue header pins where it is written NO, COM, NC. NO means normally open, COM means it's a neutral or GND for an AC supply, and NC means it's a normally closed. Means it depends on how you want it's working. You want your tube lights after turning on this relay module. If you want your home tube lights to be get turned on while just get be turned on, then you can use a normally closed. If you want reverse, like your microcontroller send a signal and your your relay module can be turned off at that time, it's a reverse. So you can use normally open. Okay, so it's depend on, just I recommend you just connect your AC supply of a tube light to this COM, and another wire of a tube light phase will go to your switchboard. Then from switchboard the phase wire again will go to normally open. So what this means normally if you are connecting your power supply of here normally open and the neutral of your tube light here, you can search connection of you can search on YouTube about this connection. After doing connection here normally open and normally open and COM pin, you will find out that which will be good for you. You can also use NC or you can also use no, but only one at a one time. Means you have to connect your neutral wire of AC supply here, and here you will connect your phase supply, but in between you have a tube light also. So I request you to get a refer of a actual circuit diagram of using this. You can find on YouTube. After then you have here three pins. So here you can find one pin is VCC, GND, and it's IN. Means IN means it's a input pin. Here this relay module can get its input signal from any types of microcontroller. I already mentioned that you can use easily ESP32 or Arduino. So by this IN pin, this relay module can take a signal from ESP32 or Arduino Uno. So this IN pin can be connected to your, I don't know which pin you have selected. In ESP32 if you have selected 20 let's suppose if you had selected 23 number pin or 15 number 14 number pin, then you have to connect that 14 number pin of signal to this IN pin. Similarly to your Arduino board, and you can use ChatGPT for getting this clear. I don't know, I am very lacking in this communication because it's my first time making this type of teaching video. So but my information is correct. You can check it out on ChatGPT or YouTube other videos also. So by using this, simply you can control your LED tubelets. But let me give you some information. I am an electrical engineer. I am not making any difference in you and me. I am just giving you normal basic info. So it's a 10 ampere 250 volt AC. It can take this much of power. It can handle. It can't handle more than 10 ampere, or I don't think that it can handle 7 or 8 ampere also. We can't have trust on this module because it can heat up your wires. It can also burn your Arduino. So before using this, I ensure that you can use this for your home automation. To maximum 2 LED tube lights you can connect to this one single channel relay module. Yeah, I have already made a project where I have connected in a single channel relay module 2 LED tube lights at the same time. So you can do also this. But more than two, if you want to use four LED tube lights, and if you want to make a full home automation on your LED tube lights, then you have to use a 4 channel relay module. And if you have a 6 tube lights in your home, then also you can use 4 channel relay module. It's for that you don't require to buy a specific 6 channel or 12 channel relay module. I don't know, I think there are more than 4 channel relay module are also available on Amazon or local shops, but you don't need to buy that. You can also buy a 4 channel relay module for your 6 7 6 tube lights or 7 or 8 tube lights. Just remember one thing, that one single channel relay module can easily handle 2 tube lights. I'm just telling you. If you let me ensure you, listen. First of all, by using your channel, why I am telling you this, because it's a 10 ampere. So if your tube lights is both, by counting your two tube lights, maximum ampere goes to 8 9, then you can use single channel relay module. Remember this. But if your home one LED tube light also about 22 ampere, then you have to use only one single channel relay module for one. Okay. So basically, if you have your home, there are four tube lights, and each one has ampere about 22 ampere minimum. Let's take an example of minimum 22 ampere. Maximum it could be 30 ampere, 25 ampere. Then also it could run easily on your on your one part of your relay from of all of the four. So at that situation where your tube light has minimum 22 ampere, about 22 ampere, let's take an example, let's take a value, then you have to use then you can only use 4 LED tube lights on this 4 channel relay module. So basically you have to be clear about your home amperes and electrical values before using this type of relay module. It's a damaged piece right now. I don't know how it's get damaged. I have connected two tube lights here, that's why it had run. But I have also connected two tube lights about 5 ampere each. I had connected in a single channel relay module again. It works perfectly. So it's all about, by using these types of relay module, all you have to clear it's about which company is this, is it trusted. If you want to make a home automation project, I know if you are seriously making a home automation project or just for fun, if you want to make a for fun, you can use normal 5, I think it's this much size. Some LED tube lights are coming which are about only 5 ampere, so you can use that for your project. But if you want to make for your about college project or any serious project which is required to be work perfectly without any issues, So for that you can must check your LED tube lights values and your relay module values. The relay module values are mentioned here, so you can check it out and ask that same values with ChatGPT, that is this I am doing it's correct, or is this relay module are correct for me or not. So you can do this simply and make your project successful. And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you want to know more about videos. My speech quality, my communication will improve day by day, so just trust. And I have made many much more projects about this. If you want to know about me, means how much I have made circuits project, if you want to see my projects, you can visit my another channel which is named Billion Gear. In YouTube you can search Billion Gear, BILLION GEAR, Billion Gear, and you will find out amazing videos, amazing projects. It has 1.2k subscribers and you can easily watch many of your helpful projects are there. It's about basically that channel is about circuits. If you want to know, if you are electrical engineer or electronics engineer, then you know that there are about flip-flops in circuits. There are use of a RAM or how it works. So I have made individual circuits of many things like flip-flop. I have made that flip-flop circuit, so you can check that out in my Billion Gear channel, and hopefully you can understand electronics much better way. So yeah, that's all about in this video, and thanks for watching.